Here we go again, a freeze warning in zone 10A. So this is what I did to prepare for the freeze that we had January 31st, 2026. Hey y'all. So today I planned on doing a garden tour, but as you can see, it is gloomy out here. It is, to me, cold. We live in zone 10A, and this is not, I don't know, this just hasn't been typical in the 5 years we've been here in January. It's been like a really cold January. Y'all, we did not move down here for this, but it is what it is, and the gardening must go on. So today I plan on pruning. I have some seeds that I want to sow, and I'm going to do all of that because tomorrow's February the 1st. So I had some plans that I wanted to, I have plans for some planting and some seeds that I wanted to do by tomorrow, February the 1st. So I'm going to get that done today, but I'm not doing it out here in the cold. I'm going to be doing it there. And this is how and why I wanted to show you why growing in these green stalks here, I love it. They're so versatile. Vertical growing, you know, all we need is, what is that, 2 feet of space to grow? But I went on Amazon and I purchased this. I don't know if you can see it. It's like this ramp. You can find it on Amazon. It's like under $100, but it's a ramp with wheelchairs because the green stalks have like the wheelbase. It's not the ultimate spinner or the ultimate wheelbase or whatever it is. It's just the one where it's just the wheelbase, right? Where I can move the planters around, which I love because that way I get to also clean my floor, make sure the floor is clean. But I'm going to show y'all why green stalk and their movers are the best for when you have days like this, right? There we go. Honestly though, I'm you know, coming from Maryland, I am kind of exaggerating a little bit because we just spoke to our daughter. She's like, it's 16 degrees there. So this, I think it's 50 something. It really ain't cold, but it's cold. Y'all get what I'm saying? So, when you used to like 80 and 70s for this time of the year, it's cold. But to my people in Maryland, I feel for you. 16 degrees is a lot. But anyway, let me do what I was doing, as I said I was doing, and let me move these up here. But y'all see how easy it is? So I'm gonna do 3 at a time. So I'm gonna take these 3 in, I'm gonna work on them, do what I need to do, and then go into the next 3. The plants that you see that are covered here, I thought these were the most fragile. That's why they have like covers on them, because they were calling for frost. And those were the protectors that we got to like cover them up. So, but I'll be checking in with y'all later. Bye-bye.